Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in Bluehost. Step number 1, log into your Bluehost account and click on Domains. Scroll to the bottom and expand the Advanced Tools section. Next to Advanced DNS Records, click Manage. Then click on Add Record. Select the record type, TXT. In refers to box select other host, paste the host name you got from your GetResponse account. Paste the DKIM TXT value copied from your GetResponse account. Select TTL as 1 hour and hit add when ready. It may take up to 24 to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully take effect. And that's it. Thanks for watching.